Hey, it's David. Today's video is going to be very special as I'll be showing you my trip to Strasburg, Pennsylvania. Strasburg is a place I've wanted to go for a very long time, and this is because there's just a ton of activity for a train fan. Specifically, the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania, as well as the Strasburg Heritage Railway, two very famous spots for rail fans, and some of the most amazing places to go to see trains in the country. I went, if you're watching this when it comes out, just 2 days ago. We spent 2 days there, saw tons of things, got tons of pictures and video, which I'll be showing you shortly, and as you can see, picked up a couple cool things. Overall, it was a very great trip. I really enjoyed being there, and I'm sure you'll enjoy seeing all the footage that I took while I was there. But without further ado, let's get started.
We had to get him.
As his own apartment, but he's going up time to the shop as needed.
In case you're wondering about the speed of our trains, the oldest timetable we've ever found for our short line was in the Strasburg newspaper dated August 1850.
Good stuff, isn't it? Yeah.
We still follow that same basic schedule today. So I can tell you.
The garden is going to be awesome.
Wait, going what?
Summer, fall, they have a huge is actually out there, like that overground thing that has and it is on. Got like a speeder tank here. If you were to truly look for every topic that they have there, it would take them 2 hours. It's got that stuff, so it does finish. And that's without that. Add a little legs there.
Oh, David.
I heard that. Who said that to me?
The most famous delivery to come through Lemon Place arrived on February 22nd, 1861, when President-elect Abraham Lincoln made a short stop in Lancaster County on the way to his Washington inauguration. Thousands thousands gathered around these tracks just to see a glimpse of Mr. Lincoln, who stepped out, faced the crowd, and said, "I've come." Special guests we have here at Strasburg. That's right, Thomas the Tank Engine, along with good friends Percy and Sir Topham Hatt. They plan to visit 3 times a year to bring little engineers and treat them to a special training.
Alright guys, have a good day. See ya.
Strasburg
Don't try. Don't try.
Alright, now that I'm back home, I'll show you the few things that I picked up in Pennsylvania. The first thing I got is this awesome railroad poster. It's got a bunch of different locomotives from the United Kingdom and the US and Germany and France and all over the world. This I got from the gift shop at the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania, and it was the first thing that I got. It looks awesome. I have it hanging up in my room right now. I'll show you a picture, but I think it just looks super cool, and so I decided to pick it up. The next thing I got is this Lionel 1964 catalog. I got this at an antique store that we went to towards the end of our trip, and it was only $5, and I decided to get it. It's got all the pages. It's in relatively nice shape. As you can see, it's got this really nice blue color with black and white images. It's a shorter catalog because it's the late 60s, so Lionel's kind of coming to the end of their run. But it's a really nice catalog. I enjoyed flipping through it. Some cool stuff in there to see. Really nice sets. But yeah, I decided to pick it up because it was pretty nice, not super expensive, and it'd be a cool little piece to have. I've been trying to get more post-war catalogs in my collection. And finally, the biggest thing that I got there was this Williams Pennsylvania Railroad stock car. I got this at the Strasburg train store, and it was only $25, and I've never had any Williams cars before. Looking at it, it looked like it was pretty nice, and so I decided to pick it up. But anyways, let's get it out of the box and onto the track. Alright, now I've got the car out of the box and onto the track, and my first impressions is that this is a very quality piece. First of all, it's got a really nice reassuring weight to it. The bottom of the car is all stamped sheet metal, plus it's got the old Lionel post-war style metal trucks on it, which give it a nice weight to it. And the detailing is relatively nice. It's a bit simple. Obviously, this is not a high-end car at all, but it's very rugged and sturdy and has a good feel to it, and it looks very nice. Such as, example, lots of nice printing detail all over it. Looks very realistic. Beautiful Keystone logo for the Pennsylvania Railroad on that end. Nice separately applied brake wheel. Plus, I love all the stamping on the end of the car. That's something I didn't even really notice before, but it looks really nice. And on the other side of the car, you can see the detail, very bare there. It's mostly just stamped sheet metal, but it does have some nice additions to it. Looks-wise, it kind of reminds me of some of the Menards rolling stock, although definitely higher quality printing and otherwise overall construction. It looks nice, though, and I bought this thinking that it was just a regular old 027 car, but it actually looks like it could be near scale and proportion. So, I think it's a big bonus. And for $25, I think it was a great deal. So I'd definitely consider getting more Williams stuff in the future. But with all that being said, I'd like to close this video up by giving a big thank you to Melissa and Nick. Without them, this trip would have never happened, and I had an amazing time here, and I'm super thankful that I was able to do this. It's a place I've wanted to go for a very long time, and so having the opportunity to do all this has been amazing. So thank you to them. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, please consider leaving a like or a comment. And if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.